in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your speakers if they're not working or delivering output sound on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And underneath get up and running, select playing audio and then run the troubleshooter. And then give this some time to run. If it recommends anything, I'd recommend following along with the on-screen prompts. And that's pretty much it. And if you're using external speakers, I make sure they are also turned on and turned up. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.